Hi there, Premiere Guy here. Thanks for tuning in. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the slide tool. So, let's fire up Premiere Pro. Before we get started, you can download the footage that I am using now from Pexels Videos and videvo.net. I'll put the links in the description for you. Why is there a slide tool? Well, it's handy to be able to adjust the duration of the previous clip and the following clip while moving the clip in between. It is easier to show you, so let's start. To access the slide tool, click and hold the slip tool, and a little pop-up window will come up. From here we can choose the slide tool, or the keyboard shortcut is U. Let's go to our sequence, then move the turtle clip, and see what happens. As we can see in the program monitor, it's showing the sea waves and the train clip, but what is Premiere Pro trying to tell us? Well, the left is telling us where the sea waves clip is going to end, and the right side is telling us where the train clip is going to start. We can also see the turtle clip, that is showing us where is it going to start, and where is it going to end. We are going to put it around here. Notice now that the sea waves clip is shorter, and the train clip is longer. Let's see how it is looking. Pretty nice, indeed. That's it. You have now learned how to use the slide tool in Premiere Pro. I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.